Shifting focus now, a Jawaharlal Nehru University student has been found dead under mysterious circumstances in the national capital. Muthu Krishnan, also known as Rajini Krish, was found hanging at a friend's house in Delhi's Munirka locality. He had reportedly gone there to have lunch, and after locking himself up in a room, he allegedly committed suicide. Though no suicide letter has been found, but the police has claimed that they are exploring the possibility that Krish might have been depressed. But his devastated family isn't convinced, alleging foul play in their son's death. Krish's family staged a protest yesterday in Tamil Nadu's Salem and is expected to travel to the national capital today. In one of his last Facebook posts, Krish had complained of the alleged inequality which he saw was rampant in the Jawaharlal Nehru University. He was also connected to the Justice for Vemula campaign, which sought justice for Rohit Vemula, the Hyderabad University student who had allegedly committed suicide last year.
மெரிட்ல பாஸ் பண்ணி தாங்க சார் போனார். இங்க இருக்கிற வரைக்குமே எல்லா இதுலயும் மெடல் தாங்க சார். பிஏ எம்ஏல எல்லாமே மெடல் தாங்க சார்.
என்ன சொன்னாரு?
நான் முந்தன நாள் பேசுனேங்க சார். அம்மா நேத்து பேசியிருக்காங்க சார். நல்லா தாங்க சார் பேசுனேன். நெக்ஸ்ட் வீக் வீட்டுக்கு வரேன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காருங்க சார். ஆனா இந்த மாதிரி வருவான்னு சொல்லி நினைச்சே பார்க்கலைங்க சார்.
அங்க ஏதாவது டார்ச்சர் இருக்க மாதிரி ஏதாவது பேசிட்டாரா?
அந்த மாதிரி எதுவும் சொல்லலைங்க சார். அந்த மாதிரிலாம் எதுவும் சொல்லல. எப்போ வந்தப்ப அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லவே இல்லைங்க சார்.
हमारी पुलिस टीम मुनिरका विहार का हाउस नंबर 196 में जाके पहुंची, जहां पे एक कमरे में एक लड़का फांसी लटका हुआ था। वो कमरा अंदर से बंद था। हो सकता है कोई व्यक्तिगत कारण से वो ये कदम उठाया हो। ये तमाम चीजें अभी 174 सीआरपीसी प्रोसीडिंग्स के दौरान हम जांच कर रहे हैं। हालांकि अभी तक हमें कोई सुसाइड नोट नहीं मिला, ना ही इसमें यूनिवर्सिटी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन या जेएनयू के किसी घटना को संबंधित है, ऐसा अभी कहना उचित नहीं।
Denied, everything is denied. Those were the words which are now ringing in terms of this JNU scholar's suicide is concerned. We are now joined by Ilma Hassan, who is standing by at JNU. Ilma, while the police is investigating, and so we believe is the JNU administration, break down in detail just what was the state of mind of this particular JNU scholar, what were the issues that he was trying to highlight, and was there an official complaint or an official case that he had taken up?
Well, Jugal, what happened yesterday was that Muthu Krishnan was a resident here at the hostel in Jawaharlal Nehru University. He stayed at Jhelum Hostel. He was a resident here. He went to his friend's house in Munirka for lunch at about 2, and following which he said he wanted to take a nap, he wanted to sleep. When his friend tried to break open the door, Muthu Krishnan wasn't answering, following which the police was called and his body was found. Now we're hearing several reports, Jugal, but since no suicide letter was found, the police are still ascertaining what the exact reason was that led to such an extreme step. We have seen on his Facebook page that he was an active member, a vocal voice, speaking about any inequality that he had witnessed himself. Being a student of history here and also being an MPhil student of history and also being a student of University of Hyderabad, he was an active member in the protests that followed Rohit Vemula's suicide. He had spoken about it consistently, and even in JNU, being a Dalit scholar, he said that he felt he faced various inequalities in a series of Facebook posts. He was an active member and kept on posting on Facebook ever since Vemula's suicide last year. We saw that he spoke about, he was a part of the admin block protest that had happened in JNU, that had been happening in the past few weeks until the VC had an order to make them stop. He also spoke about the Viva issues repeatedly because JNU had started giving more weightage to Viva, and he spoke against that, saying a lesser weightage should be given to Viva because a person's personality, their caste or their religion might have an effect in terms of marking as well. So we had seen that Muthu Krishnan was an active member and an active voice as well, and he had also spoken about how he had tried entering JNU multiple times, had taken multiple entrances until he got admission in JNU, had tried for the past few years, but we still don't know whether these reasons, the reasons he spoke of against JNU, are the reasons that he committed suicide. The police is still ascertaining whether that is true or not, Jugal.
Thank you, Ilma, for joining us with those inputs.